5 Gaelic songs for your playlists, March edition. Coisich by Valtos, featuring Lana Feita. BALACH by BALACH. And I'm Sur by Beinn Lee. Mahashir son Hora and Shaw Lodok, Scottish Gaelic Bangers on Spotify. Other people might have made the same playlists on other platforms. This by Gun Ghaol featuring Vile Blood. Agus mi yeri Cala by Cala. And the fit for this video has been After the Burial. I love a happy band name, so I do.